Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. Job report came in. Nothing is special. So the market already did its move yesterday. So let's see what's going on. Um, Pre-market 5 and 15 is just yo-yo for now. It's just up and down. Nothing is no special direction. Not clear what's gonna happen. We have to see with the price action at open. 515 not clear. 30 we got a golden cross. It's upward and 1 hour same. The most important thing you want to watch is the 4 hour. Next week earnings starting, and any names, and keep in mind, this season we had a lot of run up on a lot of names, and earning is coming up. So a lot of time near earning, what happen is as when you get near earning, a lot of people wants to lock their gains, and so that's why we get some pullback. And then after that, when it gets very close to the earning, sometimes 1 week before earning, sometimes 2 days before earning, sometimes 1 day before earning, it suddenly jumps up again. So you want to wait until you see the 4 hour yellow bar on TTMS squeeze, or better wait for the confirmation 4 hour golden cross MACD. When that happens, then it can have another jump up. That's just a general method I've found out. So last 10 years, 12 years trading. So you until then, market probably is just gonna be up and down based on news and things that happen. Anyhow, pre-market right now, as you can see here, the daily ES is curving down. Weekly, we are still very bullish. Monthly, same. But the 4 hour, keep in mind that the pressure is down and we still don't have yellow bar. So there is still chances that, you never know, maybe market opens and falls again. On ES 44.26 is the key level to watch. Yesterday went below it, came back above. So you have to see the price actions at open. But TTM, just keep in mind TTM is squeezed on. We got dark blue bar in the 30 minutes, and 1 hour we're getting dark blues bars too. Um, and Q, same thing. We don't have yellow bar yet. Daily is downward, and for the weekly, be careful. If you get another pullback, another red day on NQ, it's possible to get a dark blue bar on the weekly. Again, pre-market right now, 15:30, 1 hour is upward, and the NQ is a little bit stronger than ES, but just pay attention to the price action at open. If it continues jump up and passes the high of pre-market, then it's a valid confirmation that we're gonna go higher. But if it does go below the pre-market low, goes lower, and then then the next retest is low of yesterday. Um, what else we got here? TNX. TNX. No clear direction right now. Probably is gonna hover around 40 and 40.42 for now. In general, daily, weekly, and 4 hour is very bullish, and we'll see. It needs to have a big breakdown or a big jump up, and then can have a bigger can have a give a better direction. But for now, it's probably this level is so important, and right now it's probably gonna hover around it. DXY, keep an eye on that one, because this one has always big effect. Once it goes, you know the rules. Goes down, tech goes up. Goes up, tech goes down. Pre-market right now direction is very down, and if it goes down again, we can techs can go higher. Wix, green a little bit. VIX was funny actually yesterday. Let me see, just so it opens and it jumps up, and you can see it was just keep going until the 5 minutes MACD dead crossed here. Once it dead crossed, that was a signal that market is gonna reverse, and it sure did reverse, and it just was non-stop pullback into the close. Same thing today. Watch it. 15 and 30 are direction setter. So if as long as 15:30 is downward, market has chance to go higher. If you see 5 minutes MACD golden cross and 15 does the same, then be careful. Might be grabbing puts time. BTC, it's just teasing with the 30,000. It went below it. It came back above it. So right now, I mean, it's just it's establishing a bull flag still. It needs to break the range of 30,000 and 32,000. Once it breaks either way, it's gonna have a big solid moves there. Apple. was a nice runner yesterday. Today, if it jumps up 4 hour, that was an example I gave. So you see, this Apple right now is one of the names that giving yellow bar on the 4 hours. You can see here. Let me go back. So you see here when it gives a yellow bar, what happens? it it makes a range, then it goes higher eventually. So right now, I'm not saying right now is the best time to get calls long and blah blah blah, but that's just a signal that this is not don't want to go lower for now. And but For now, you can see here this one is the first one to give the yellow bar, but the MACD is not giving that much signal that of a jump up. So anyhow, pre-market high is 192.46. That's the level you want to watch. If it does break it, we can go to 194 again. Pre-market 5 is dead crossing right now. 15 no clear direction, 30 downward, and 1 hour we got dark blue bar. So we'll see. I mean, right now pre-market direction is not clear on indexes, so we have to see the price action at open. Um, Amazon 5 is dead crossing. It went almost to 130. Key levels to watch is 130 breaks. We can go higher to 131, 132. If it goes below 120, if right now it's hovering around 128.72, and then if it can hold there, next supports are 127.73 and 126.95. Nvidia jumped up to 426 and pulled back. Right now is around 422 and is going up and down. Again, next support is 417 and higher level is 426.56. Breaks either way can have bigger move. Pre-market 1530 is upward, 1 hour is upward, 4 hour we don't have yellow bar, no, not power there yet. Baba 3 points higher. This one is just a yo-yo. One day 3 points up, one day 3 points down. So anyhow, breaks 86, 80, 89. Next level, we watching 87.59. But keep in mind, and a lot of times last few days, anytime Baba opens up and then it gets a fade. So if that doesn't happen, because keep in mind it's normal last few days that every time it opens up, it fades and goes down. But if this time, anytime, then it opens up and continue going up, that's just a signal that it's starting to get stronger. So anyhow, if it fades, 86, 85 lower level to come. If it jumps and 86 pass, 87.59 can easy come. BDU same thing. Pre-market jump up, 140, 163 key level. Past that one, we're looking at 142, 144. If it goes below 140, 139.97, 138, and 137. Netflix earning next week. That's the one you want to keep an eye on it. So it's not next week. It's 7/18. So just yeah, 7/18 is the earning, and we get red bars right now. So you want to wait until we get a yellow bar. Then it's time to go again. Time to go again up. For now, to do so 434 at 65 and 439 89 a key level to watch. Either way passes can have a bigger move. Pre-market again direction not so clear, so we'll see how happen at open. Meta was a nice yesterday open jump, then it pulled back, then it go up again. So it was right now trade is coming, and there is a lot of talk about that Tesla is gonna sue Meta. It's probably gonna affect both of the stocks. It did a little bit at the close, and just keep an eye on it. So 292 right now is hovering around it. Two key levels to watch is 290 and 295. Breaks either way can have a bigger move. If it drops at the open, 294, 290.44 and 288.7, those are the support levels. And if it passes 295.76, then it can go to the higher level. Tesla. Tesla was very interesting yesterday. It was just it was it supported 270, 292 very strong. This level was it's a very important level. It supported very strong, two times touched it and pulled back up, but it had a very weak close. But right now it gapping up and opening higher, 1 point higher. 279.2 is the key level to watch. 1 hour we're getting a golden cross. That's awesome for Tesla in general. When 1 hour golden cross MACD, that's a good sign for a run up. Daily is just flat. It came down. Now it's flat. No clear signal there. Weekly, it's very bullish. Once it goes in the RSI overbought zone, it went there this week, but it pulled back. Once it goes there and it stays there, then it's gonna be a hot time. Um, so yeah, 279.2 passes. Next level we're watching is 280.91, 283.08 and higher level. Um, if it goes again, if it drops at open and passes 275.33, next support 272.93. Microsoft was very hot yesterday. Um, it had an upgrade pre-market, and actually Microsoft was one of the reasons I saved the day a little bit yesterday. And Apple, it was up and down because of the upgrade. It was stronger and finally went up, but right now is opening below 349. So pre-market direction 515.30 is downward, and key level to watch is 338.85. If it goes below that, then it can fade and go lower level. But if it passes 341, then we look into the higher level. For now, direction is downward. In order to go up, we need to get a 5 and 15 MACD golden cross to run up higher. Google hovering around 119.63, nothing special happening there. Need to pass 118.48 or 121.41 to have a bigger move there. AMD, um, direction pre-market on 15:30 and 1 hour is upward. We still don't have a yellow bar on the 4 hour. 112.98 and 114.22 key level to watch. Passes, it's gonna go to the next levels. Boeing, just a yo-yo there. It's establishing. It's just, you can see here on the daily chart is just in the yo-yo in a tight range going up and down. Good morning, Daniel. And SPY, 439.9, that's a key level to watch. Yesterday, as you can see here, it came down. It was about to go to the major level 436.45, but then it pulled back above 437. Then from there it started on and went up all the way to 439.9. And today, right now, pre-market, it's actually right. I was talking. I didn't pay attention. So right now pre-market. Let me fix this. So yeah, it's after the report. Right now it's already broke the lows and it's continuing lower. So 15:30 1 hour is already downward. 5:15 and 30 is already downward. 437.77, that's a key level. Next key support. If it breaks that one, 436.45 comes. But again, pay attention, same like yesterday, if 515 golden crosses and runs up back to 439.9 and then higher level. Pre-market right now, market getting a little bit more bearish, so we'll see. QQQ still holding the bottom of pre job report. 5 is dead cross, 15 is curve down, 30 same. If 15 and 30 dead cross and go lower, if 15 and 30 MACD dead cross and confirms dead cross, next level support is 365, and if it gets crazy we can go to 362, 359. Doubt it goes crazy today. Job report was okay, reaction was okay, so most likely today is gonna be a boring day. We'll see. Nothing exciting so far. What else? Any symbol, let me know. RIVN gap up open. I told you guys 22.39 is next level to watch is 23.24, 23.92, 24.6 past 24.6. Next level is 26.81. What else you got here? That's pretty much it. Again, we are a little bit red, so we have to see the price actions at open. IBM got an upgrade, so keep an eye on that one. Sometimes when it gets upgrade, it jumps up big at open. And let me just check my scanner. Nothing special. All right. Best of luck as always. Please like, share, and if please you can sign up for Say the Option service. I post real time there alerts and guidance for the market, and also I have chartwiser.com. If you need levels, you can sign up there too. We have a special running up right now. It's like $10 a month, and have a beautiful day. Thank you.